study the protecting groups. There are 4 types of protecting groups like CBZCl. It is protecting group of amine and D protected by H2 or palladium carbon. BOC whole twice O is a protecting group of amine and is D protected by H plus ion. FMOC or FMOC is the protecting group of amine and D protected by base, and THP is the protecting group of alcohol and D protected by H plus. Right now, for example, when CbSZCl, what is this? This is carboxybenzyl chloride, CbHCl. Carboxy is this, benzyl is this, phenyl benzene group is attached to CH2, then chloride. So this can be named as BNOCOCl also, right? This reacts with amine group and protects the amine group of amino acid and protects it by when this reacts, HCl is removed and it attaches to this molecule, and this is formed, or this is also called as CBZ, is attached to amine group of amino acid. Right now, next it is deprotected by hydrogen or palladium carbon. So here the bond breaks and toluene is formed, and then carbamic acid. This will be known as carbamic acid. After H2 palladium is added, deprotection, hydrogenolysis is this process. So this toluene is formed and carbamic acid, which is very unstable. Now CO2 will be removed from this molecule and it will become amine. So amine and CO2 will be the final products, and this molecule is being decarboxylation is being carried out on this molecule. Right now, second group was BOC whole twice O. Now this molecule contains tertiary butyl carboxynyl group, oxy group. Tertiary butyl is this, oxy is this, carbonyl is this, right? And BOC whole twice. So this is also BOC and this is also BOC, and in between there is oxy group, right? So BSC whole twice O. Now when this reacts with amino acid, amine will the lone pair on amine group attach this carbonyl group and it is protected, right? And this molecule will be formed, or it is also known as BOC NHCrCOH, and this is the amine group and this is the protection by BOC. Now it will be deprotonated, this molecule will be formed, it will rearrange like this, and finally the product will be CO2 will be removed and alpha amino acid will be formed again, and BOC is removed by deprotection. Right. Third was FMOC. Here F means fluoronyl. This whole structure is of fluoronyl, right? And this is methyl. MOC means methyl, oxy and chloride. This is carbonyl, this chloride, oxy and methyl. So MOC, right? It will react with amino group of amino acid and it gets attached to it. HCl is removed and this is called protection. So this structure will be formed by reaction of these, and it is also written as can be written as FMOC, NHCrCOH. So amine group is attached to FMOC and is protected. Amino acids amine group is protected by FMOC. Now it can be deprotonated by base. When base is added, this group is removed as this molecule, and CO2 is removed and alpha amino acid is again formed. So based on this, in NET December 2012, a question came that this is the amino acid and we added this is the FMOC, and then this is added, this is a base, this is added for deprotection. So what are the final products? So we can see this is first it will protect the amino group, right, by even first it is protected by this FMOC amino group. So this will attach to amino group of amino acid, right? This molecule will be formed. Then base will deprotected by E1CV mechanism, right? So final product will be this will be the byproduct, and this will be the byproduct CO2, and this is the alpha amino acid. So these are the final products. Now next question is which came in net June 2016, that this is the amino acid. If we add 1 mole percent of H2, palladium carbon and ethanol, then what will be the final product, right? So here we can see this BNOCO. BNO is attached as it is also known as CBZ. So here also CBZ is this group is protected by CBZ, this group is also protected by CBZ, and this group is protected by BOC, right? So you can see that hydrogen, palladium, carbon can only deprotonate CBZ groups, right? It does not affect BOC. So here it will be reduced, so this will be toluene, this will also be a toluene, and here OH will form, and here amine will form, right? Here also OH carboxylic acid will form, here also carboxylic acid form. So you can see here carboxylic acid form, carboxylic acid is formed, and 2 toluene molecules are removed, right? And now after that, when ethanol was added, the CO2 will be removed, and this molecule will be formed, right? This is amino acid, and BOC was as it is because the hydrogen, palladium, carbon group can only remove CBZ groups, right? Not affect BOC group. So this is the final answer.